Please like, share and subscribe my channel all in one. After subscribing, please press the bell icon to get all my notifications. To everyone, my name is Parmeshwar Reddy. I am studying in 9th standard in Donald Memorial High School. Today I am going to explain you about plant tissue in the biology subject. My teacher name is Subhashini teacher. Come on, let's see. Plant tissue. We all know that plants are also living beings like us. They respire, prepare food and have unlimited growth throughout their life. So, how do they perform all these functions? Plants are composed of three major organ groups: roots, stems and leaves. These organs are made up of various tissues and perform these functions. Large number of specialized cells together form a tissue. Plant tissues are characterized and classified according to their structure and function. The two basic types are the meristematic and permanent tissues. Let us first look at the meristematic tissue. It is the meristematic tissue help in the growth of a plant. They have a ability to divide themselves. These cells are generally small, enclosed within thin walls and a cubicle. Depending on the region they present in meristematic tissue are classified into apical, lateral, intercalary meristematic tissues. The tissue that help in increasing the length of the stem and the root is the apical meristem. It is located at the tips of stems and roots. Which tissue that helps in the increase in the diameter of plant body is it? The lateral meristem located at the lateral position of stem or the root. How then do the leaves and branches grow? It is the intercalary meristem that facilitates the growth of leaves and branches. In grass, these generates the parts removed by the grazing herbivores. It is located at the base of knots, interknots and leaf bases. We now know how a plant develops its roots, stem, leaves and branches. Now, let's find out which type of tissue help plants to obtain necessary nutrition and support. Now, it is the permanent tissue that help in transportation, preparation of food and provide support for the plants. Permanent tissue are none other than meristematic tissue that mature and become differentiated to form different types of tissues. Permanent tissue. Based on the similarity of cell, permanent tissue are classified into simple permanent and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue is called simple tissue because it is composed of similar types of cells that have a common origin and function. Based on the function, they are further classified into parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. The parenchyma tissue are oval-shaped cells within thin cell wall and have extensive spaces between the cells. They help in photosynthesis, storage and also help aquatic plants to float in water. They are composed of living cells found in roots, stem, leaves and flowers. The collenchyma tissue are composed of living elongated cells. They provide elasticity, mechanical support and tensile strength to the plant body. They are found mainly in the cortex of stems and leaves. The sclerenchyma tissue are the dead cells having extremely thick cell walls containing ligament. They protect the plants. These tissues present at the stems, leaves and the hard covering of seeds and nuts. We'll now move on to the second type of permanent tissue, the complex permanent tissue. As the name indicates, complex permanent tissue consists of more than one type of cells. They are classified into xylem and phloem. Xylem is complex tissue consisting of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. It transports water and minerals, raw materials from the roots to the other plant parts. Phloem consists of sleeve tubes, companion cells, phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma, which prepare food from leaves to the other parts of the plant. In conclusion, we see and understood that plant tissue their types, subclassifications, and their functions. Things to remember. Plant tissue are basically classified into meristematic and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue divide throughout their life and promote plant growth. Permanent tissue are divided from meristematic tissue and facilitate transport, preparation of food, and provide support to plants. Thanks for watching. I hope it is helpful for every one of you.